before the induction of the 2023 Philippine College of Surgeons Southern Tagalog Chapter officers, a tree planting activity was done in Alfonso Cavite. This was after the gift giving activity at the Bahay ni San Jose, also in Alfonso. This was followed by a lecture in the updates in the systemic therapy of breast cancer care of Dr. Gabriel Natividad.
PCS STC, Southern Tagalog Chapter, and Dr. Hasmin Andaman Garcia, President of the PSGS, Southern Tagalog Chapter. Thank you.
The induction proper was done the following day at the Abagatan Ti Manila after the Master of the Knife awarding ceremony.
I am truly honored to pay tribute to this very humble and amiable surgeon, Dr. Hernan Ang, and speak about him and talk about why he deserves to be this year's Philippine College of Surgeons Southern Tagalog Chapter Master of the Knife awardee.
Now, presenting to you the past presidents of the Philippine College of Surgeons Southern Tagalog Chapter.
President, PCS, Dr. Vivencio Villaflor, Vice President, Dr. Ruel De Leon, Treasurer, Dr. Rosilito Mendoza, Secretary, Dr. Esperanza Lajos, Board of Regent, and also Ma'am Aneta Lintino. Also, our past President of the STC, present here, Dr. Renato Campo, Dr. Emmanuel Diaz, Manuel Loyola, Dr. Aldrin Quasay, Dr. Orlando Reyes, Dr. Marcos Brillantes, and Dr. Arvin Briones. I want to thank first our loving Creator and my inspiration, my Lola, and my father-in-law who recently passed away yesterday. To my family who supported me, my mentors in mga sponsor na. Thank you very much, Doctor, for the support. Another board of another board of director from Batangas, no? May junior, Dr. Louis Lanting. No? Si Louis yan, pag hindi yan maka-attend, sir, sorry, talagang really, value, no? Yung mga meetings especially, kahit busy. Thank you, Louis. Jerome, no? I know you busy ka pero still you make time to support sa akin. Thank you very much, Jerome. For Jonathan Garcia. Thank you, Jonathan, for the support. Dr. Manuel Nang Jr. Who's always there for the support. Sana next time, sir, medyo takas na tayo.
Tatak na yan. President na agad.
Well, thank you, Doktora, sa iba pa akong may ating pasikat. Maraming salamat. Ito may Vice President, Dr. Michael Lawenko, and now will be the President of the PCS STC chapter. Thank you, Mike, for being the full Vice President of the chapter. No? Pag may kailangan ako, ano ba kailangan mo? Yan. No problem. Kailangan. Thank you, Mike.
Mr. Cool. Cool na cool.
Lahat ng mga activities natin at saka mga meetings will not be possible without our beloved Secretary, May Romero. Thank you, Erica. M. Lawenko. It is my privilege to confer the Presidential Medallion for you, Dr. Lawenko. I now hand over to you the Kamagong Gable, which is a sign of strength and authority that you will possess while presiding over meetings of the chapter. I also now hand over to you the PCS STC banner to symbolize your unwavering allegiance to the PCS STC.
And in all humility, I accept these challenges and the responsibility. So, I would like to present the Presidential Award for Distinguished Service to Dr. Tan. So this is a plaque of appreciation to Mervyn Tan for his invaluable support and contribution to the projects and activities of the chapter for the year 2021-2022 in his capacity as chapter president. So given this 29th day of January 2023 at Abagatan Ti Manila Hotel in Alfonso Cavite, signed by me and Dr. Abagatan Garcia, Vice President, Secretary. Also, as a token of appreciation, a paperweight with the carved logo of the PCS made of Narra. And yung sapit-sapit na galing Cavite.
He has published a number of scientific papers, both in local and international journals. He was our president of the PSGS Southern Tagalog chapter last year, who also brought us the Most Outstanding Chapter Award. And now, he is our president of the Philippine College of Surgeons Southern Tagalog chapter. Fellows, let's all again welcome Dr. Michael Lawenko.
Maria Concepcion Bisagas, the president of the PCS National, Dr. Juby, very loyal to the Southern Tagalog, Dr. Julie Villaflor, Vice President, Dr. Joey Mendoza, our Secretary, Dr. Jose Ruel de Leon, good morning, sir, and Dr. Mercedes Laos, welcome. Past presidents, officers, family, and friends. The Southern Tagalog chapter has influenced my surgical career ever since my residency days. Okay? We were the first batch of officers representing the Tagalog Association in surgery. 6 or 2. This is where I saw that the unique camaraderie of STC surgeons outside their respective institutions. Okay? Everybody respected one another and was always happy to see each other once we gathered together in events like this. The proudness that we all carried during national conventions, once we were dubbed Taga-Southern Tagalog yan, okay? Notably from the barong or the shirts that we wear. And one thing that stuck to me the most during those days was the importance that STC gave, okay, to the betterment of the training of its residents, okay, those who will soon be leading the chapter. So I was familiar with the teachings I got from my mentors, Dr. Jose Cueto, or Dr. Joe Cueto, Dr. Armand Santos, and here now Dr. Atong Ocampo. But it was an eye-opener experiencing teachings and trainings from other consultants from within the Southern Tagalog, like having to go mock oral examinations under Dr. Palines, Dr. Insun, and Dr. Magnaye. Okay. And the excitement of going to, back then it was called BRH, Batangas Regional Hospital, to be taught laparoscopic skills with Dr. Allen Buenofe and Dr. Roy Beberabe on pigs. So this is why the first priority project that we will be having this year would be to help out the residents of the established and upcoming training programs of STC, as well as the fellowship programs of the different subspecialties. Second priority program would be in continuing surgical education in a collaborative manner within the different cutting specialties. The emphasis would be on the role of the surgeon in universal healthcare. How can we help the general practitioner enhance and apply their basic surgical principles in their roles in universal healthcare? So this is what we want to explore this year around for surgical education. And STC is also known to be an active in socio-economic, socio-civic activities. Okay. Our objective is to take care of nature and our children. Both of these are the future, or is the future of humanity. We will enhance collaborations with other societies and civic groups with our project STC. This is the STC, meaning Surgeons, Trees, and Commitments. This is a program wherein our fellows plant native indigenous trees, and we have a commitment to go back there and see if they are flourishing or not.
And even Introduction to Biology, The Secret of Life at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. The ancient Greek hero at the Harvard University. Wow. And another interesting activity of our guest of honor is that she is a paddler of the Manila Dragons Dragon Boat Rowing Team. Most improved paddler. And so many other societies, Golden Scalpel, and so. So, fellow surgeons of the PCS Southern Tagalog, friends, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the President of the Philippine College of Surgeons, Maria Gracia Concepcion Cruz Gonzalez.
Dr. Ramon Inso, who is in Cebu, our Spice Boys, alam na nila. Drs. Juvie, Dr. Ruel, Dr. Joey, and Dr. Angie Ramos, Board of Regents, past president of the chapter, officers and board of directors of Southern Tagalog Chapter, fellows, guests, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. First of all, Mark, that was such a wonderful tribute to a friend and colleague, Dr. Hernana. It was such a heartfelt and touching tribute, but we must remember our friends in sad memories who have gone ahead with sadness and regrets. Lost a friend last year, Panchi and I. And ourselves with honoring his memory and remembering the
Treasurer, Dr. Manuel S. Lang, Jr. Secretary, Dr. Ronan Chris J. Inso. Vice President, Jasmine A. Andaman. And President, Dr. Michael M. Lawega.
state your name, off state your province, having been duly elected to the position of state your position, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my position
And of course, we cannot forget Ma'am Annette. Medical Center in Cavite. Our treasurer is Dr. Lizelle Delphi from De La Salle University Medical Center, also in Cavite.
Congratulations to all of us and mabuhay ang Southern Tagalog. We are one.